Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am up here at our white gold reno. Final couple days here before client handover. Guys are cleaning up and demobbing. So let's go on inside and have a sneak peek at the finished project being revealed. So all right, here we are. We're down in the front entry. If you remember from the earlier videos, we took out that massive masonry fireplace that essentially took up this entire hallway. And so that's opened the entry up enormously, allowed some architectural detailing here, facilitated the inclusion of these closets, and just generally made this a much more inviting space. So existing stairs refinished here, going upstairs to kitchen, living room, dining room. Cleaners madly cleaning up. New kitchen, living room, dining room, space significantly opened up. Of course, new windows throughout from Euroline windows and doors from down the lower mainland. Just waiting for the refinished stair treads to go back on there. But just a wonderfully opened up new space, new kitchen, of course, from our friends at Sofo Kitchens. We kept a portion of this beautiful edge grain hemlock in certain areas, removed it in a few others just to help brighten the space up. New gas fireplace, all that beautiful stonework from Canadian countertops. Up here, revamped master bedroom, new carpeted floor, nice and warm and cozy. New Euroline window and door. Of course, again, we kept some of this beautiful edge grain hemlock on the walls, took some of it off and drywalled this to just improve the brightness of the space. Got the walk-in closet in here, and then into the revamped bathroom. New cabinets by Sofo, Canadian countertops, brand new shower, and then under that cover there, of course, is a lovely soaker tub space, all redone, revamped. Yeah. Looks awesome. All right, so let's go back towards the new addition. Of course, the new bathroom that we had seen in a previous video, everything nicely uncovered and getting ready for the final finish. Oak floor that you've seen in the video all throughout. New laundry, just waiting for final install of some counters and appliances. And into what used to be the suite. Of course, we've got the addition on the back here. Couple of office spaces, heading out onto a small, lovely deck in this beautiful, sunny backyard in the woods. Great location here in Whistler. And then relocated stairs with treads that match the wood flooring up into this lovely loft space.